Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. The plan for today is to stop by at Louis Vuitton store and I need to basically pick my birthday present, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me and I'm gonna show you around. I will try my best to try and show you as many new bags as I can, because I know it's always fun to kind of tag along in these vlogs where people are going shopping, and just it's fun kind of seeing different things in bags. You feel like you are shopping yourself, so I really like it and I hope you guys will enjoy as well. And it's raining today. It's so gloomy, it's just not fun. And I straightened my hair this morning, but clearly it's not even straight anymore. I think it's the weather effect, but I filmed another video this morning. It is my first impressions on mini Pochette. I'm gonna link it up on the cards and I'll leave it in the description box down below as well, so feel free to check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I always love hearing from you. And yeah, let's get going to the Louis Vuitton store. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are as well. are now back home and I'm so excited because we had a successful shopping trip. We just went to the Louis Vuitton store, did our stuff. I picked my birthday present and then we came out right away. That's because I have a sprained ankle, which I'm icing right now. And I didn't really want to walk anywhere in the mall. It's just really painful now. So I'm just icing it. I'm going to rest it out for the rest of the day. But I'm really excited because I did find my birthday present, which by the way, I don't have it. I don't have it with me because the bags that she had in the store, the one I wanted was a little bit, had some sort of quality issue. So I didn't want to have that one. So instead I ordered another one, which is going to come to me in 2 to 3 days. So I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video showing all of you what that is. But in the meantime, I want you guys to guess down below in the comments and let me know what you guys think it could be, because I'm just really excited. I want to know what you guys think it could be. And I'm going to give you guys a little bit of hint. It's one of the bags that I tried in this vlog. So hopefully you guys get it right. I'm really excited to know what you guys think it is. But yeah, that's about it. She did give me some perfume samples here, which I'm really excited to try out because it was my birthday, and I mean it is my birthday. But yeah, that was it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed taking you guys along with me to this shopping trip. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, if anything else, let me know in the comment box down below. Stay tuned for my unboxing video. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon in another video. I really can't wait. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.